Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a model and generate facial animation from audio using the Audio2Face Animator Unity plugin. Your model should have ARKit blend shapes, or at least blend shapes that can be mapped to ARKit. For this tutorial, I'm using a MetaHuman head model. Let's add it to the scene and position it properly. First, add the Face Animator component. Here, you can choose the model type, James, Mark, or Claire. Next, add the audio clip that will be used to generate the facial animation. Now, we need to add a Face Blends Mapper component. This component updates blend shape weights for a specific skinned mesh renderer. Find the skinned mesh renderer on the model and assign it to the Face Blends Mapper. Once the target renderer is set, the Face Blends Mapper will detect all blend shapes available on that mesh. Then you need to map the ARKit blend shapes to the blend shapes in your model, and you can also adjust the weight for each one. If your model uses ARKit naming conventions, this mapping can be done automatically. After that, assign this Face Blends Mapper to the Face Animator. If your model has multiple mesh renderers that need animation, you'll need a separate Face Blends Mapper for each one. In this example, the head, eyes, and mouth are all separate renderers. So let's add 3 more Face Blends Mappers. First, let's set up the left eye. As you can see, it only has 4 blend shapes. Map those and leave the rest as none. Then, assign this Face Blends Mapper to the Face Animator. Now do the same for the right eye. We also need a Face Blends Mapper for the mouth. Again, assign the target renderer, map the blend shapes, there are only 5 of them, and add this mapper to the Face Animator. Now the setup is complete and we're ready to animate the model. Run the scene and click Generate in the inspector. When it's ready, press play to see the animation in action.
Turn speech audio into facial animation with Audio2Face Animator for Unity.
You can also try a different model type, regenerate the animation, and compare the result.
Turn speech audio into facial animation with Audio2Face Animator for Unity.
Try the third model and select another audio clip. Then generate and play.
Ha! That's wonderful. I wasn't expecting that at all. This is such a pleasant surprise. I can't stop smiling right now.
I hope you find this tutorial and the plugin useful.